There you go. Boom. You would need a cold can of coconut cream, which is all the fat from the coconut milk. You can't drink that one. Okay, first Rose, your frozen bananas. That's frozen. Boom. 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 One more boom. Boom. Then we're gonna top it later on with these amazing keto cups and sprinkles. It's gonna be great. Coconut cream. Good thing Rose doesn't work at Baskin Robbins here. Another health code violation. There you go. Hands are dirty. Hold on.
Yeah.
Chef Rose will not work with dirty hands. Touch of vanilla Rose. A little bit, right? Just a little bit. And stop. Good. Hold on. Good, huh? Ooh. Look at that, Mom. Oh, wow. Beautiful texture. Wow. Look at that. Not nice? One thing about this ice cream, you have to eat it immediately. If you put it in the freezer, it gets rock hard. Big scoop. Beautiful. I'm gonna put sugar-free sprinkles on top. Good. And then this. This is one of my favorite things. These, babe, are keto cups. They're no added sugar. Version of Reese's peanut butter cups, but with almond butter and hazelnuts, and they use pure monk fruit. This is one of the best things I've ever had, and it's perfect to go on top like that. Look at the ingredients. No added sugar. It's like a clean version of a peanut butter cups. You just put it on top. They're fantastic. All right, let's see what the dealio is, Rose. For Mom? Let's give Mom this bite. This is a good one. See how Barbara and Andy like it.
Very good. The keto cups are awesome.
Right, on top. All right, this is the perfect summertime ice cream with 2 ingredients. Top it with whatever you want. Try the keto cups though, they're fantastic. I'll put the recipe on flavcity.com. It's in this post. It's go time. Later guys, bye.